Okay, start. Okay, Assalamualaikum, selamat malam. Okay, so apa yang saya nak buat hari ni, saya nak tengok live breaks daripada Zero Break. Saya ada masuk spot, iaitu spot triple auto, iaitu Son, Kin dan Bill. So insyaAllah malam-malam Ramadan ni saya jarang dapat apa yang saya ambil spot tu, saya jarang dapat. So senang kata kumpau lah. Okay, so hope for tonight from Zero Breaks saya dapat something, insyaAllah. Kita doa yang baik-baik. Okay, so this is the second box. Nanti kita go for the first box, yang apa yang dah keluar. Kita boleh buat review sikit apa yang saya nampak lah.
Out of 50, Bradford siapa lagi? Nathan Collins, out of 50.
Yang saya nampak
Siapa ambil
tadi,
Brad? Ha?
first box ada
Sean.
Mukasa
Out of
auto.
50 keluar. For Sean. Nice, out of 50.
Second
Nanti
box
tak bawah.
tu,
Tak.
so nampak David Raya, Cherky,
Okay.
Josh King. Lepas tu siapa lah? Bonner.
Tak 50 behind here. Nice. Out of 50. And then we have Does His Job, Mateta.
Let's go. Second box. Triple auto.
Come on. Out of 50 keluar. Alright. Adakah ini box low number? Hari tu kita buka. There's 2 out of 50 in one box. Okay. There's 2 out of 50. Lefe, Christian Romero, Victor Gyökeres, and then we have Alive and Kicking Noni Madueke. Alright. Next box, my triple auto coming out. Come on. With triple auto, 1 of 1. I want to see all those rare cards lah. Okay. Oh, it's a blue sparkle. Let's go. Okay, blue sparkle. I thought yang cool tu. Ayari. We have Iduk Johnson, The Streets Won't Forget. And then we have this right here. Another Man City. Okay, not auto. Another Man City. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, it's Tijani Reindeers. This is 109 out of 199. Tijani Reindeers. I think this is City Others lagi. Betul lagi? I think this is City Others. Tijani Reindeers. Nice. Ni nama apa dia punya refractor ni? Because ni true gold tau. This is true gold. True colour tau. Yang ni macam like refractor. What is it called lah? I forgot the name. Anyone boleh help me out tak with the name? The name of the... The name. Aqua. Is it Aqua? Tak. Dia punya colour bukan colour. Dia punya design tu. Design dia. Design dia punya tu. Sebab dia ada macam like geometric punya design. Tapi bukan geometric. It's called Not Mine. Okay. lah. Is it Wave ah? Wave ah? Heskey. Luis Kelly. Then we have Refractor of Vandenberg. Ya. Tengok. Ada triple auto. Nampak? Ada triple auto punya slot tau. Triple auto tu, triple auto. Kluivert, Van Dijk, Wang Hee-chan, and then we have Golazo of Olivier Giroud. Hey guys, I want to see Doman though. I want to pull Doman. Lacy kita tepikan lah, Lacy ni Lacy ni macam like, if keluar lah.
Sekejap guys, sekejap.
Okay, I think it's blue, green, something. Chris Wood. We have Golazo of James Tarkowski. Ni buat hal tu, itu game MU. And then we have what club? It's for Bournemouth again. Bournemouth is for siapa lagi? It's DN. This is 068 out of 299. Adrian Trafford. This is for D. Dua tadi. Dua number tadi. First timer ni, dia manis sikit. Sebab dia tak tahu macam like which spot yang macam akan keluar a lot of hits. Dia main masuk je, tengok. But Aircrew P, if you get like low number, bro, that's like crazy, bro. Hari tu, I think satu dalam grup kita, seorang, dia keluar like out of 25 tau. And berapa harga dia, like 80 or 100 US dollars lah. Alex Iwobi. And we have Future Stars of Nico O'Reilly. Very nice. Chrome ni best tau. Cuma value dia je mahal sikit. Value nak beli box ni, nak masuk semua, dia keras compared to others. Purple, let's go. If purple, it could be an auto tau. Aiden Statch, okay. Let's see.
Let's go.
It's for Wolverhampton. Wolves, apa lagi?
Wolves.
Wolverhampton numbered out of 75. Let's go. Hao Ming. Strand Larson. This is 10 out of 75. This is for Hao Ming. Wait, so far, all the clubs macam like balance. Bradford, Bournemouth, Fulham, Man City. Tu je lah. But yeah. For Hao Ming, yeah. Crystal Palace player now. For Hao Ming, purple. Very nice. Very, very nice. So far, this box dah keluar 3 number, I think, or 2. Come on, let's see some big ones. Let's go. Beto, Krupi, Livramento, and then we have Mr. Harvey Elliott, alive and kicking. Alive and kicking ni boleh dapat 1 of 1 tau. 1 of 1 ni colour macam ni juga. Macam bronze tu. Tak tahu 1 of 1 kan. Wait, let me double check. Okay, no. Kata autos, come on. Especially Lacey. Especially Lacey, come on lah. Especially Lacey, come on.
Auto lah sekali.
Let's go. Words. Bruno Fernandes. We have Bradley Burrows. And then we have Mr. Papi Cisse. The streets won't forget. Newcastle. Very nice. No autos yet, eh? No auto. Yang keluar kat sini lagi. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chrome. Bless us. Let's go. Smith Rowe. We have... Oh, buka belakang pula. Prism of Murray Campbell. Very nice. We have Matthias Cunha base. Very nice. Okay. Guys, if you guys want to see our videos, you guys can subscribe. Subscribe and then see all the videos of previous breaks. Kalau korang miss out lah. Barry. We have Sekau Kone, rookie base. We have Josh Cullen. And we have Sunderland. It will be for Simon Adingra refractor. Very nice.
Sorry, nak keluar triple auto kan. Jarang lah spot
Auto
saya.
number lagi, let's go. Zimas. We have Jordan Henderson. And then we have Lacroix refractor. Cantik. Wait, ni macam something ya. Let me see.
Come on, triple. Triple.
I think this is something, guys.
Filler.
Macam something lah.
Chris Rick.
Okay. Chris Rick. Van de Ven. We have Banel. And then we have Bruno Fernandes. Prism. Very nice. Wish, last 4 packs. Auto belum keluar lagi.
Auto.
Come on, man. Be a big auto.
For the second.
Come on. Wih, K-Seed ke? I think this is a... ni K-Seed, guys. Ready Night or something. Kan? Guys, ni K-Seed, right? Black. Is it... Bro, it's Rainy Night. Rainy Night or something. Future Star. Come on, guys. K-Seed, guys. Guys, 6 box pun K-Seed, guys. Gerrard. Stoppage time. Let's go. I think this is a K-Seed. All the best, everybody. I'm not sure. I think Cold Rainy Night or something. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Ooh! Erling Haaland. A cold and rainy night in Chrome. Bro, this is crazy. Bro, this is crazy. Tony. Oh my god. Bro, Haaland spot guys. Haaland spot. Buyback berapa tu ni guys? Cold and rainy night of Haaland bro. Bro, this is massive bro. Wait, 1 of 1? Ah, just joking. Aha, macam dah. Okay, Corey night. Not 1 of 1 guys, not 1 of 1. Wait, last sold is 250 US dollars, guys. That's crazy stuff, man. Crazy. And auto tak keluar lagi. Damn, 6 box KC. Guys, saya think kan, dekat kita, KC memang keluar selalu kot. Okay, KC memang suka keluar kat sini. MU 3 KC in one case. Harry Wilson, Bruno Gomes, Erling Haaland, base. 20 pound. 20 pound for Tony. Bro, okay guys. If korang tak faham guys, saya ulang sekali lagi lah. Tops ada buat ni guys. Okay, golden boot. Okay. Erling Haaland base, if dia menang golden boot this season, this I think 20 to 25 pound per base card. Okay. So this we have to sleeve. Gila. Ni je nak dekat 100 dah. Ni sleeve tau. We have to sleeve up this.
Kalau Haaland menang this season the golden boot.
Okay. Oh. Haaland.
Bismillah.
Last 2 packs. Wait, last 3 packs. Okay, let's go. Wait, imagine this box Haaland auto. Imagine lah.
Jangan.
Imagine.
Triple auto please.
Yes, I nak MU auto.
No.
Okay. Piro. Cole Palmer. There you go. Future star of Nico O'Reilly. And then we have refractor of Sandro Tonali. Alright, last 2 packs auto not out yet eh. Seram juga ni.
Ya, sebab KC keluar dia tak keluar auto kan.
Please be a numbered best. Macam tak ada lagi. Jangan error box. Doak. Florian Wirtz. Freddie Potts. And then we have Bournemouth of Trafford. Refractor. Last pack. Takkan last pack auto kan? Mestilah.
Easy.
Pandai saya pilih pack. Okay, if ni numbered, come on lah. Wih. It's a purple guys, out of 75 again. Out of 75 again guys, come on. Paul Scholes, stoppage time, let's go.
Spurs.
Newcastle United. I think this is for Arif Azmi. Autograph. Out of 75. Wih, could be a legend though. Arif Azmi. Okay, Arif Azmi ni, dia used to join our breaks like lama tau. But they took a break. He came back and he got this. Anthony Gordon, 35 out of 75. Autograph. This is for Arif Azmi. Wih, Gordon 4 goals itu eh. Crazy stuff. Man in form. Anthony Gordon.
Not bad. Mukasa, Gordon.
Anthony Gordon for Arif Azmi. Alright. Oh, so far this is solid. Okay, second box better, much better. Second box, much better. R75 auto, K-Seat and base Haaland and also out of 50. Solid box. Not the best auto, but it's a solid box. Let's go. Third box. Let's go. Skip ni tau.
Siapa yang tu?
Let's go. Let's go. Third box. All the best, everybody.
Come on guys.
Maybe another K-Seat, maybe.
Triple auto.
Let's go. Tyler Dribbling. Chido Obi. We have Andre Onana. And then we have Alive and Kicking. Bukayo Saka. This is for Jaren. Or we call Jerio. Third box ya. Third box already. Sekejap pun ni. Gibbs White. Mukasa. Shauna, and then we have Wolverhampton, Huang Hee-chan, Refractor. Because every pack is only every pack is only every pack is only 4 cards. Saka is Brian. Brian. Saka pecah, lupa pula. Come on, let's go. Redemption ke apa ke kan. Let's go. Carlos Baleba, Julia Soler, Anthony Milambo, and we have Refractor, rookie of Joe Pirro. Okay. Minte, we have Muniz, Hugo Ekitike, and we have rookie Justin Devaney, Prism. Very nice. I nak buat 1 case tau for this box. Tapi susah gila. Okay. Teal colour, let's go. Let's go. Tony Yebau, the streets won't forget. Come on, let's see. Brighton. This is Brighton, eh? For Brighton, siapa pergi Brighton? Huruf. Amehan, let's go. Kaoru Mitoma, this is 185 out of 199. First Brighton numbered for you. First Brighton numbered for you, brother. Mitoma. Tadi saya nak ambil tau Man City tadi. Tiba-tiba kan, claim kan. Saya ambil dekat Prakash Man City. Haaland. Rupanya kat sini yang keluar. Wait, what is that? Huh? I think this is the RF52 or something. Numbered. Leeds United. Ooh. I think logo something, right, guys? 04 out of 92. Harry Gray. Guys, apa nama insert ni, guys? This is like the logo something, right? Harry Gray. Leeds United siapa lagi? 4 out of 92. Logo Fractor. Logo Breaker. Logo Fractor, ya. Logo McCann. McCann. Ui, McCann ni gila-gila. Semalam dah keluar MU banyak. Now dia keluar ni. And now, I think, dia leading tau. Because 04 out of 92 is lower than the 04 tadi. Yep, dia leading right now. Logo Fractor pun keluar, guys. Logo Fractor pun keluar, see? Yeah, cantik tu. Honestly cantik. The design is really nice. It's really, really nice. Let's go. Guys, base saya just skip nama dia.
Wait, tapi Spurs tak ada keluar langsung eh.
Enzo Fernandez, Prism. Very nice.
Spurs tak ada langsung.
Retro Fractor. Betul retro.
Mickey
Come on lah. United Auto. I need a United Auto, please lah. We have Gustavo Poyet, Golazo. Bagus lagi ni. Let's go. We have Oscar Bob, stoppage time. Kan? Nama dia. No skip. Okay, tak. Gila. Tak skip tu. Dia takkan skip base. Tak sebut je. Rio and Gomoha, base rookie. Squaita. And also we have Eze, Prism. Betul? Betul. Kalau domain base keluar, saya jerit kot. Uish, out of 50 insert numbered. Out of 50 insert numbered, guys. Max domain tak ada. Kidding. Zumendi. We have, that's his job. Oli Watkins. Okay, let's see. Out of 50, eh. Let's go. All the best. Out of 50, guys. Ooh! Oliver Giroud. 43 out of 50. I believe this is for Jaren. Giroud, Arsenal. Arsenal. I think Arsenal, Giroud is others. Out of 50, Giroud. Jarenyo. Out of 50, Olivier Giroud. Very nice lah. Very nice lah. Thank you, I am Jaren. Cik. Entah Haaland dah keluar. Wait, is it red colour? Okay, bukan. Come on, I need red colour, guys. I need red colour. Refractor of Minte. Very nice. Come on, let's go. Congrats, Jaren, yo. Come on lah. Arsenal auto, Chelsea auto, Liverpool auto, come on. Let's go. Give me more, guys. Give me more. Refractor of Tyler Dibling. Wait, 75 viewers watching. Is it? You guys are crazy, guys. Okay, I think this is blue color. Okay, let's go. This is not auto, I believe. Golazo of Robbie Fowler is for West Ham. West Ham for Thomas Suchek. This is 228 out of 299. Maybe our biggest number yet. West Ham apa lagi? I think West Ham is for Isaac. This is for Isaac, I think. Oh. Next breaks, cik. Terus bincang kan. Apa nak buat next breaks ni? Let's go. Prism of Huang Hichan. You guys nak box apa, guys? Saya tanya korang lah. You guys nak buat box, guys, for next. Chrome kita dah buat 2 kali. You guys nak MU lagi tak? MU. You can bring another case of MU. The price pun okay lah. Not that like expensive. Let's go. Brian Buemo, and then we have Morgan Rogers, Refractor. Liverpool. Liverpool I think ingat tak, Amir? Yang kau first time joiner. Itu first time Liverpool tu. Maybe we can bring like 10 boxes of that. Sebab 2 auto per box tau. Maybe lah. Itu macam best juga kan. Tops decade. Crazy. Arsenal. Is it Doman? Martin Odegaard. And then we have rookie of Muyoka. Refractor rookie. Go.
Come on, take out.
Waiting for top 0 set. Kalau top 0 set, we can bring lah. Kita akan last pack juga auto ni. It's a blue color. Let's go, blue color. Alisson, come on, blue color. Liverpool autograph, blue color. Let's go, Liverpool fans. Liverpool, stand by. Liverpool lagi, stand by Liverpool, tengok Liverpool. Liverpool auto, blue. All the best, everybody. Nampak muka saya tu. Okay, adik. Okay, stand by. 1, 2, and 3. Milos Kerkez. This is 113 out of 150. I think ada juga. Amehan. I think Mo Salah is out of 50 and below je kan? Emir. Congratulations, bro. Liverpool. So far, the autos are all big clubs. Cuma, not the star player yet. Let's go. Ahmad Diallo, live and kicking. And then we have... Bosan lah 6 box ni. Sekejap sangat. Macam nak lagi je. Tapi itulah. Enzo Fernandez, and we have Elano. The streets won't forget. Very nice. 3rd box settle, guys. This box memang keras lah, guys. Okay. The higher the box, the mahal the box, the lesser the packs. So korang kena prepare mentally lah. So let's say kalau kita buat museum ke, those like high-end box kan. Korang can stand by with like, 1 box. That's only like macam like 8 cards or 6 cards, macam tu je. Spots pun mahal, spot pun sikit. So yeah. Chrome ni macam like middle lah. Tapi value wise Chrome is mahal. Cuma dia punya box dia quite mid to high end ni lah box. Let's go. Fourth box. Let's go. Sorry. Fourth box Ada orang ambil half tak? Cuba tengok nama. Ada orang ambil half tak? Nama. Ke semua full? If half, kena split. Ada nama 2 nama. Museum random spot. 1 box, 2 box, 1 case. Boleh je. We can try tu. Keras lah. Come on. Doman. I thought Doman. Martin Odegaard. And then we have future star of Nico O'Reilly. Where's MU? Itulah tak keluar-keluar ni MU. Come on, MU. Wait, no MU number yet Damn. Last time okay, green. Let's go. We have Dirk Kuyt. This is for Chelsea. Chelsea autograph green. Green. Let's go, all the best, Chelsea. Chelsea spot takers. 1, 2, and 3. A rookie autograph. 3 out of 99 for Shumaira Muaka. Wih, ni rookie punya box ni, I think. Chelsea others, I think. Sean! This is for you, brother. Ni semua rookie box tu. Korang pilih rookie box tu, guys. Rookie Chelsea. 03 out of 99. Leading right now. Damn. Mana MU ni? MU number tak ada lagi. No, Kumamo ni. Tak apa, tunggu jap. Nanti keluar. Later dia keluar. We have Mo Salah alive and kicking. Very nice. Let's go. Iwobi. Stoppage time. Come on, man. Low numbered more. Baru out of 20, 2 je. Out of 50, 2 je. We need like out of 25, out of 10. I want to see out of 10. Hari tu kita dapat out of 5 tau. The locked in. So we need to see more. I mean, of the low numbered punya card. John Arnris. Tapi case it nice lah so far. The Haaland. But we need more hits, bro. We need more hits. Come on lah. We need more hits. Come on, let's go. Another till. Let's go. Brighton. This is for Carlos Baleba for Amehan. Right. Brighton. 031 out of 299 for Amehan.
Amehan lagi. Banyak spot dia.
Thank you, Che. Come on, man. I want to see low number, guys. Low number merah ke. Jeremy Pino refractor. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Virgil van Dijk. Rodri, Ballon d'Or winner, refractor. Come on, man. The risk of doing 6 box, purple. The risk of doing 6 box, because if one case, there will be like guaranteed case hit and guaranteed case hit auto though. That's the risk. If buat 6 box, 4 box, 3 box, 2 box, 1 box. You guys won't know if case hit ada tak. So yeah. Liverpool, purple, let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Alexis McAllister, this is 6 out of 75. I believe this is for Amehan lagi lah. Ni for others.
Banyak spot dia beli.
Amehan lagi, I think. McAllister. Liverpool others. I think Liverpool others lah. Betul lah. Let's go. Gareth Bale, Golazo. Very nice. Ami cooking tu lah, betul. The auto semua big clubs tau. It's just not the big player of the club. Last time kita dapat... Arsenal. Come on, Doman. Eze. And then we have Alexander Isak Prism. Come on lah. Base Doman satu je, I think the owner akan happy gila. Let's go. McAllister Refractor. Come on. Lepas ni kita ada Percy tau guys. So korang boleh stay tune lah Percy eh. Nampak tengok Percy. Oh. Alive and Kicking oleh Aina. Hit lah. Hit cepat. Ada yang triple auto je, okay. Ada yang triple auto. Triple auto tu, meaning kalau auto 3, tu kat dia. Okay. I think this is Aqua. Let's go. Come on, Aqua MU lah. Let's go. Aqua MU, let's go. Nottingham Forest. I believe this is for Sean, kan? Morgan Gibbs White. This is 35 out of 199. Because guys, I don't think like it's up to breaker yang decide the box. Memang lah. Like, you know, the box tu memang random tau. So sometimes kita buat one case pun, like macam I saw like one case delight kan. Ada yang keluar like redemption, 1 out of 1 sekali tau. And ada box keluar like out of 99 je, the biggest hit. So, yeah. Karu Mitoma Prism. Come on lah. We need maybe another case hit lah. Another case hit will be very, very nice. Go. Dan Burn Refractor. Another logo fractor, guys. Another logo fractor. Let's go. Another logo fractor. Let's go. For Aston Villa. Sebenarnya siapa lagi? Zol Hakim. Evan Guasan. 62 out of 99. Another logo fractor. Logo fractor is not easy kan to pull. Betul tak? If I'm not mistaken, dia susah nak keluar juga. For Zol Hakim, Aston Villa. Adama Shairori. Fractor. 62 out of 92. Betul. Alright, Doman. Come on, Doman. Please be rookie. Victor Gyökeres. And we have Smith Rowe. Last pack for box number 4. 2 more box, guys. 2 more box. Let's go. Another Erling Haaland. Tony. 2 Haaland. Base. Crazy. Bro, crazy, bro. Imagine dah 50 pound dah. 2 Haaland base ni. 50 pound dah ni. Crazy stuff, man. Box 4 done. Like this. Come on, man. Where's the hit? Go. Let's go. Box number 5. Let's go. Honestly, this one is keras. Last one, the 6, we got Mbuemo. We got, I think, few more United numbered. Auto Lacey. Bila saya ambil Lacy tu, tak keluar dah. Cik, cakap dia one of one kan. Imagine. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Green colour, let's go. Come on. West Ham United, this is for Matheus Fernandes, is 28 out of 99. West Ham is for, siapa lagi? West Ham bawah sekali. Isaac. Let's go. Golazo of Andy Cole. Very nice. Best West Ham. Honestly, the guy is very good. I collect all of his rookie punya card first year. I think kat Wolf kat dia. Fractal of Andre. Come on, man. Oh, it's pink colour. Pink is number berapa ah? Golazo Harry Kane. For Chelsea. This is the same guy. M. Yoka. 038 out of 250. For Chelsea others. Sean siapa? I forgot the name. Chelsea others. For you, bro. Sean. Sean. Arsenal, come on, Arsenal. Erling Haaland lagi, guys. What the hell, man? 3 base Haaland. Bro, that's crazy, bro. Rata. Haaland lagi, bro. At this point, Tony, you're gonna make your money back from the base je. Base sahaja, This is like 75 pound for 3 cards of base. Damn. This is like glitch money, though. Glitch money. Gila. Jack Grealish Prism. Let's go. This is our fifth box lah, guys. Teal color. Come on, Akmal Loha. For West Ham United, this is for rookie Luis Guilherme. 049 out of 199. Yet again for Isaac. Isaac, pandai pilih. This half. No United lagi weh. It's crazy, man. God damn. And also no Legends punya auto keluar. Last time kita dapat 2 auto Legend tau. God damn, bro. Bruno. Bradford. Coyote. Otara Refractor. The streets won't forget Roberto Solano. Come on, man. Come on, man. Low number. Come on, guys. Out of 25. Come on. Give me out of 10. Black. Black color. Red color. Orange color. Come on. Give me those color, guys. Fractor of Shona. Macam tunggu ni pula makanan sampai. Come on, man.
Munoz.
Refractor of Romero. Very nice. Hey, what is that?
Susah.
Green color. Come on, green color. Let's go. Makeda. Stoppage time. Come on, green color. Let's go. Nottingham Forest autograph. Forest autograph. Siapa Forest? Lupa lalu. Green color. Forest. John ah? John. Rookie Zach Abbott. This is 48 out of 99 for Johnny. Johnny. Very nice. Damn. Come on, man. We want more, man. We want more. Scully, and then we have Chris Richards. Honestly, United, damn. Nothing yet, bro, United. Even me, myself, I took AC, tak ada apa-apa. One base cut je dia. Amir Regimov. We have Nelson. United. Come on, United. Where are you, bro? Mungkin sebab United dah keluar semalam 12 box. Ya, betul Jeffrey. Jefferson. Ya. I think sebab tu lah. Dia keluar banyak. So, dia macam like, okay lah. Don't wanna keluar here lah. So, Bosley. Let's go. Oh, like damn. There's no United numbered. Nothing. Mukasa. Prism. Let's go. Prism of Josh King. Rookie. Got that, bro. Okay, this is numbered green. This is for insert, guys. Insert numbered. Let's go. Green color. This is 66 out of 99. This is for... sorry. 65 out of 99 for Aston Villa. Zol Hakim, I think. Alive and kicking. Harvey Elliott. 65 out of 99. Zol Hakim. Zul Hakim, for you. That's for you, brother. Let's go. Refractor of Isak. Alright, done, bro. Last box, though. This is so cepat. Next break, Prime first. Nak buat Chrome lagi ke? You guys are crazy though kalau Chrome lagi. But I can do another Chrome. And if you guys berani, guys, if you guys see the price kan, if you guys times 2 all the spots, if you guys okay with that, we can do one case. If times 2 all the spot, just terus one case. But it's gonna be mahal lah. You guys can see the price. Last box, guys. Last box. All the best, everybody. And then we have Percy, You guys can tengok Percy. Percy adalah box yang korang tak ambil tadi tau. Okay. The box yang korang tak ambil tadi is gonna open one tonight. So korang boleh nampak auto apa je keluar. Purple, let's go. Bruce. Arsenal auto, last. It will be Arsenal auto. Okay, we keep it for the last Last one Last one, Arsenal auto. One case. Korang vote lah, guys. Arsenal auto for the last box. Memang kelab-kelab besar je. Aston Villa pun top 4 sekarang kan. Golazo Bergkamp. Last box is Arsenal Auto. Refractor of Julio. So Arsenal, you tengok Arsenal? Dortmund boleh arah 75 ke? I'm not sure if 75 boleh tak. Good night United. Ha? Arsenal ada siapa?
Max Bowman, Bryce Vieira.
So could be a legend or could be a others punya ni, present. Could be anyone right now. Arsenal, last box. Let's go. Newcastle, Anthony Gordon, Prism. I got a golden baller into. Ooh, very nice, bro. Haaland on the 4th. Haaland apa? Ah? Is it Chrome? Dan Ballot. Golden baller, eh? What is that? Alive and kicking. NDIA. Come on, man. Alive and kicking. Joelinton. Wish, yes, ramai eh. God damn, korang berani ya guys. If you guys berani, we can do it bro. Tapi the race is crazy ya. Okay. Another Arsenal guys, come on. Not rookie. Lewis Kelly and then we have Vandenberg. Mana number ni? Gareth Bale. Stoppage time. Untuk Chrome ni kan, dia keras tau. Tapi if you guys dapat insert like the good ones, there's like value into it lah. Freddy Potts Prism. Next play full case. If you guys nak, we can do it lah. But guys, korang tengok price yang I dah list, guys times 2 and you guys see if you guys still want to join or no. Okay. If you guys like understand the game, I can bring it lah. Okay. Pink color, let's go. Newcastle United. Sandro Tonali. Pink color. 075 out of 250. For Arif Azmi. Bro, you know United is crazy, bro. No, United is crazy stuff. Abu Dhabi. Guys, I'm gonna invoice like to those like winners tomorrow, guys. Yang dah ada my QR everything, guys. I think you guys can do payments terus lah. Because green insert. Because the price is there, so you guys can see lah. Terus payment je and then send me the receipt. Let's go. Wayne Rooney, United. 27 out of 99. Waza. Siapa? Rooney? I think Beckham. Suje. Rooney Golazo. 27 out of 99. For Suje. Suje pun first time join ke? The breaks. Rooney nak ambil tu. Damn. We take it. We take those. Liam Gillette Refractor. Richarlison Prism. Rooney nak MK ke? Cuba tengok Rooney. Okay, cuba tengok betul. Rooney. I think Rooney nak MK ke? Tengok nama Rooney. MK eh?
Ini dual only apa?
Dual tak? Dual auto. MK. You got that Rooney, bro. My assistant salah. Enter such. Factor. MK was the one that got the Rooney, eh? So sorry. Hey. Jordanson. We have Ben Brogio Refractor. Last 2 pack. Oh my days. Not the best case. Half case lah, okay? Punish assistant. Not the best half case, tapi we take the case seat lah. The case seat is crazy. Okay. I think this is last numbered for the box. Kobe Mainu. Arsenal. Okay. Most likely, this player behind here, auto dia is the same. That's my theory. Okay. That's my theory lah. Okay. Because tadi banyak kali I tengok theory like a lot of refractor and the auto sama. So we'll see. So it could be a Gabriel auto. Ooh. Last print. 199 out of 199. This is for Jaren again. Last print. Nah, masih fan. Gabriel. And the last pack before our auto. And then guys, korang boleh stay tuned korang boleh tengok box apa?
For me.
Auto apa?
Okay.
Box apa yang keluar je lagi
Yeah.
for our ni. Oh, last number is blue ah. Let's go. Blue color last number. That's his job. Saliba. Bournemouth. Bournemouth is... I lupa dah Bournemouth. I think Shonen. Tyler Adams. This is 128 out of 150. D eh? D again, D. Look at that, D. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, so sorry to those yang tak hit, guys. Not the absolute best case, but we still dapat case hit Haaland lah. But the other autos are not that big, but it's still good. Rookie, 2 rookie, 1 play, informed player out of 52, no low number out of 25 and below. That's tak best. Okay, but then last auto is Arsenal eh. Arsenal. All the best, Arsenal takers. 1. This is 22 out of 75. Martin Odegaard. Ay, check siapa Odegaard. See siapa Odegaard. Check siapa Odegaard. Jaren, Odegaard tak ada kat atas eh? Oh my god, bro. Last box for Jaren.
Okay guys.
Player that
Itu
gonna
saja,
win the
guys,
Premier League.
untuk malam ni guys.
Captain dia.
Saya masih
Jared. Autograph of Mr. Odegaard.
Okay guys, itu saja.
Thank you guys, thank you guys.
Good night.
Not the
Thank
best
you,
guys. Tapi guys, tunggu
InsyaAllah
jap.
pada next
We're gonna
break.
see the low number
Bye-bye.
and high number. And then we're gonna open